Welcome to Architecture Laboratory. I'm Alvin J. Tinawan, Head of Laboratory, will introduce in general about Architecture Laboratory profile. The Architecture Laboratory is an institution managed by the Faculty of Engineering, Samratulangi University, Manado. In carrying out its main duty and function, this laboratory is responsible to the Dean of the Faculty. However, this laboratory is also one of the supporting institutions in the Department of Architecture, so that in carrying out its function, it must always coordinate with the department, including the Architecture Undergraduate Program at the Faculty of Engineering, Samratulangi University. The tasks of the Architecture Laboratory are teaching laboratory, research laboratory, social laboratory, and commercial laboratory. The Architecture Laboratory has the following infrastructure. First, Laboratory of Design Modeling of Architecture Computing. Second, Laboratory of History, Theory, and Criticism of Architecture. Third, Laboratory of Architecture Science and Building Technology. Fourth, Laboratory of Landscape Architecture. Fifth, Final Project Studio of Architecture Undergraduate Program. And carrying out its main task, the laboratory is led by the head of the laboratory, assisted by the secretary, and supported by the expertise lecture group and the head and secretary of the final project studio. Architecture Laboratory, Expertise Lecturer Group, Design Modeling and Architecture Computing. Expertise Lecture Group, History, Theory, and Criticism of Architecture. Expertise Lecture Group, Architecture Science and Building Technology. Expertise Lecture Group, Landscape Architecture. Laboratory Service for Commercial Function. Architecture Expert Services, Consultancy for Architectural Study, Architectural Design Consultancy, Detail Engineering Design, Architecture Supervision Consultancy, 3D Visualization Simulation, Video Animation, Mock-up Miniature Models and Fine Art Product, Leasing of Equipment and Operator Usage, and Digital Printing. Laboratory and studio service for the general public for this function must have permission of the head of the laboratory and must follow a SOP that is specially regulated. Laboratory service with cooperation methods. In general, the methods used consist of 3 stages, namely, first, Memorandum of Agreement. Second, Cooperation Agreement. Third, Employment Contract. Laboratory Equipment. Laboratory of Design, Modeling, and Architecture Computing. Laboratory of History, Theory, and Criticism of Architecture. Laboratory of Architecture Science and Building Technology. Laboratory of Landscape Architecture. Final Project Studio Architecture Undergraduate Program. This is a brief profile of the Architecture Laboratory, Faculty of Engineering, Samratulangi University. Hopefully, this information can represent the existing potential so that it can be considered in establishing cooperation. Thank you.